Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. I'm out here shoveling my snow. We got like 7 or 8 inches last night. Kind of drifted out here in my driveway. Yeah, I don't think I'll be out here throwing anything at my targets for a while. Good thing I got that target inside. I'm still going to try to do some jug cutting though. Sneak outside and cut them real quick. Just got done blowing all the snow off my driveway. Probably about an hour job. It's like 5 degrees out here or something. But I'm dressed for the work. Cleaned out my cutting post so I could do some cuts here, maybe even tonight. Got some pretty good drifting going on back here next to the garage. Probably about 3 foot deep.